Welcome to 9 South Scenic Drive, Forresters Beach. This magnificent home consists of 5 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, triple garage, in-ground pool, and set on almost a quarter of an acre of land. It's straight opposite the beachfront with 180-degree water views. You need to come and have a look at this property. It caters for all kinds of people, holiday people, homeowners, and even investors. Come and have a look inside and tell me what you think.
If you'd like to make a private appointment, please get in contact with myself, Tim or Beth.
We look forward to seeing you at the next open home.